For easy, long-lasting bloom, there's no better choice than bulbs, especially for the northern gardener. Plan carefully and you can enjoy a succession of blooms for months on end. The most common bulbs, such as tulips and daffodils, are planted in fall and bloom in spring. Plan carefully and you can stretch that time frame from late winter right into summer. For the earliest blooms, plant snowdrops or winter aconites. As their name suggests, they bloom even while snow is still on the ground. They're small and dainty, so plant them close by where you can enjoy these harbingers of spring. Next up are crocus, glory of the snow, and scilla. These cheery flowers all multiply over time, so give them room to spread. Crocus bloom times depend on the specific variety as well as how much sun they receive. Glory of the snow provides 3 to 4 weeks of continuous bloom. As the days lengthen and sun warms, daffodils burst open to herald the arrival of spring. There are many different types of daffodils with a variety of characteristics: miniature, large-cupped, fragrant, double, and more. Bloom times vary as well. By selecting varieties with different bloom times, you can keep the show going for 5 or 6 weeks. Like daffodils, tulips are highly diverse with single, double, and fringed blossoms, all in a myriad of colors. Bloom times vary significantly by variety also. By choosing a combination of early, mid-season, and late bloomers, you'll maximize your tulip show. When planting varieties that bloom at the same time, plant 2 or 3 compatible colors together for a stunning display. Hyacinths bloom at the height of the spring show and add a heavenly fragrance to the garden. They make wonderful cut flowers. Fritillaria sport very fancy blooms that end the spring bulb season with a bang. Most spring blooming bulbs require a long winter's rest in cool temperatures to produce good blooms. That can make growing bulbs a little challenging for gardeners in the southern half of the country. There are some bulb varieties that are more suited to the south, as well as some tricks to growing bulbs in warmer climates. See the links below for more information. Finally, be sure to protect your bulbs against browsing deer and burrowing critters. While deer tend to avoid daffodils and snowdrops, tulips and crocus are among their favorites. Start spraying buds as soon as they emerge with top-rated Bobbex repellent. You can also keep squirrels, chipmunks, and other pests from digging up your freshly planted bulbs by dipping the bulbs in Bobbex R concentrate before planting. See the link below for a video on how to keep animals from digging up your bulbs. To keep your bulbs blooming as long as you can, choose your bulbs wisely. Plan carefully and protect them from predators with Bobbex. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.